How to reinstall FireKirin app. First of all, go to your device settings and find the Apps or Application Manager section. Locate the FireKirin app from the list and tap on it. Then select Uninstall to remove the app completely from your device. Once the app is uninstalled, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type FireKirin and hit the search button. Go to the official FireKirin website from the search results. On the website, you will see download options for Android and iOS. Tap on the option of your choice and the download will begin immediately. It may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, open the downloaded file from your browser or locate it in your downloads folder. Tap on install and the installation process will start. Once the installation is finished, tap open to launch FireKirin and start playing. Now you know how to reinstall FireKirin game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.